According to Mr. West, organizations that lack a platform for project managers to view where their resources are being utilized result in project failure. The Revenue Cycle Project Management Office PMO's last 20 completed projects resulted in the project completion date being extended. On slide 2, you will see a graph that displays resource allocations, resource managers, project risks, and lack of project requirements were the results of those 20 completed projects being extended. I am Gabrielle Venezia, and I am a project liaison within the Revenue Cycle PMO. I have gathered you all here today to propose the PMO invest in a project portfolio management tool so we can manage our resources and deliver project activities on time. A PPM tool can help the PMO by reducing resource allocation, providing real-time data to the project team, and increasing project success rates. As a project manager, it is important to see where your resources are being utilized so you can plan ahead. In the PPM tool, it'll show where resources are being utilized. So if a project manager may need a resource that is already overutilized, they can work with that project manager and see if they can use them for a project task. Project managers also have the ability to view in advance if the resource will be available or not and plan ahead and communicate with resource managers if necessary. Having the PPM tool, project resources are able to track data throughout the project lifecycle. A PPM tool provides the project team real-time data to the project tasks that they are assigned to. They can complete the project tasks and update how much they have done by the percentage, and of course adding any comments. This allows the resource and the PM to communicate in an immediate time. If the project manager is coming over some resistance from other departments, project stakeholders and sponsors can help interject those resistance and show why the necessary steps are being taken due to the project goal from just opening up the project plan right in the PPM tool. Mr. Burdrick stated in his article that Project Management Institute gathered a study that showed companies that invested in a PPM tool lowered project failure by 60%. Investing in the PPM tool provides a central location for project managers to manage all their project activities, such as the project schedule, their project resources, their project risks, their action items, and create their project status report right at a click of a button. Having this central location allows the project manager to decrease communication with project stakeholders and sponsors as they can go into the tool and view any progress at any time. And of course, if any questions appear, contact the project manager immediately to resolve any altercations. With my proposal, I am understanding that there may be objections to my investment of a PPM tool, such as on slide 6, I have shown that the PPM tool will cost the revenue cycle maintenance fees, application installment fees, resource time and costs, and of course miscellaneous fees such as upgrades and maybe additional systems and support. I'm aware that a PPM tool may cost $5,000 to $90,000, which can be very frightening for you all to see and cause objection. But not only is this tool going to help the PMO team, but it's also going to help any of the operation teams within Advent Health. Those operations teams can use the tool to utilize their project activities or department activities and coordinate which resources are assigned to what tasks. Advent Health can see a return of investment in implementing the tool, as it's going to be helping the company as a whole overcome any project costs, over allocations, and not extending the project. I'm also aware of the fact that our teams use Microsoft SharePoint as their central location to put all their project data. With that being said, though, it's not technically a central location for project managers to manage their project activities, because SharePoint does not show resource allocation. It does not allow project managers to generate the status report at a click of a button, and it also does not send out notifications to resources when they've been assigned to a task. Project managers are also reducing their time of having to give permission to stakeholders, resources, or sponsors to the project page in SharePoint. So with that being said, using the PPM tool, they don't have to stop what they're doing to give grant access, since those resources already have permission to access the project site within the PPM tool. Simplifying a single source for PMs to host their project benefits the revenue cycle PMO. Implementing a PPM tool will help the project management team by reducing resource allocations, providing real-time data to the project team, and increasing project success rates. Establishing a single location to track project activities can prevent projects from being extended and improve communication throughout the project team. I am hopeful that you see the benefits of this tool so we can reduce any of the long-term effects of chaos within departments, miscommunication, resources juggling between department activities and project activities, and reducing project budget costs from potential risks. I am hopeful that we can implement this tool together and be successful within the PMO and in Advance Health. I appreciate your time and look forward to answering any of your questions. Thank you.